Hello everyone! Start off by taking a plastic bottle and then cutting off the bottom. Take some yellow clay and make multiple balls out of this. Then stick glue on it and stick it on the bottom of the bottle in circles and squeeze them flat as such. Repeat this process until the entire surface of the bottle is covered. So now, take some orange clay and then make it look like lips and stick it all over and add cute little emojis all over the place. Use this as a pencil stand. For our next craft, take a sponge and dip it in green paint and make grass-like shapes all over some blue paper. Take some red balls of clay and add a yellow center and make it look like flowers and stick this all over the grass. Then take some white clay and stick it on top to make it look like a bee. Repeat this process. So, for our next craft, we will be taking a plastic sheet and cutting it into the shape of a cloud. Using a marker, add cute little eyes and a smile, and then add glue to the edges and stick some white clay. Take some red clay or any other clays and make it look like a drop of water. String some thread through this clay and then stick it onto the cloud, and there you have it. For our next craft, take some cardboard paper in brown and then cut it in the shape of a rectangle before cutting it into the shape of a strawberry. Add some colorful clay balls on the top and add some white clay right underneath it. Twist some clay together and you have yourself ice cream. For our next craft, take some brown circular cardboard paper and add clay on top of it. Add petals in white and yellow centers and then add leaves as well as a beetle. Next, take some white clay and make it into an oblong shape and then cut it into small little marshmallow-like shapes as such. Roll them into balls. Then take some black clay and make once again another oblong shape and then roll it into balls. Using black as the center and white as the petals, make petal shapes all over and then attach it as such. Repeat this process until you make something that looks like a football. Next, take a small little cup and add some pink clay at the bottom and squeeze it down as such. Add a lighter pink shade next and then add purple shade on top. Take a string of purple clay and then roll it into each other and add it on the top. You have yourself a smoothie. Next, take some blue clay and then spread it as such. Add a small little ball of clay at the bottom and then cut it out in the shapes as shown above. Add cute little eyes and a smile using a marker and then add legs or even hands should you like. Decorate the outsides as you please. For our next craft, take some red clay and then make small little balls out of it and then make it in the shape of petals. Taking a sharp object, make a center in each of these balls and then add a yellow center. Add some stems as well as some leaves made of clay. Add a small little pot at the bottom. Now, take a clay machine and then make small strings of clay as such. Cut out different shapes and you can make it look like multiple types of food. You can also make a clay and taking the shapes that are available to you, you can make things such as bread, sausages, a stick of meat and some hearts. Stick them all on the cake. Next, take a painted potted tree stuck in water and add some water on top to make pink water out of it. Add some purple leaves out of clay and there you have it. Thank you for watching.